Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement page view and bottom navigation bar together in Flutter. Okay, first of all, let's create the new Flutter project and go to the lib folder and in the main.dat file, let's delete this counter app, default counter app, and let's create the stateless widget. So let's send the class name to my app and let's keep the return here material app. Okay, like this. Save it and we'll get this black screen. Now let's change this debug so checked mode banner to false, so it will remove this banner. Okay, now let's create the new file. Let's say root screen.bat, and over here let's create the stateful widget. Let's change this class name to root screen. Okay, now let's return here scaffold. Okay, now come to the main.dat file and let's keep the home that root screen class we have created. Now save it and we'll get this blank white screen. Now come to the root screen. Now let's keep the body to the scaffold. Let's keep the page view. Okay, uh, we can give the children for the page view, and children contains list of widget. Let's say give the center child. Let's say text. Let's write to the home. Okay, now copy this center widget and just twist a few more times, and let's send this home to settings for this one, and for this one to contact. Okay, now save it, and if we swipe, as you can see, the screen has been changes. So, okay, like this. Now let's copy this. Okay, list of widget, and let's create the list over here below over the build function. Let's give the type to this list with a list of widgets and paste that center widgets list. Okay, now as like this, now we can put here pages to the children of page view like this. Now it will work. It's fine. Like before, now we can give the page controller. I mean controller also to control the pages. Okay, save it and copy this. Let's initialize it over here. Page controller goes to this controller like this. Now copy this one and paste it here. Okay, cool. Now let's move on to create bottom navigation bar below the page view. Let's type bottom navigation bar and can give this bottom navigation bar or navigation bar also. Now if you over to this items, uh, it contains the list of bottom navigation bar item. Okay, let's create the list of bottom navigation bar item, this one, and let's give the icon to this icon properties, icon dot home. Okay, now save it and we'll get the error. Okay, as you can see, the item length should be greater than 2. So let's make another one also. Copy it and paste it here, and let's send this to what do we have settings. Okay, now still we got error because we have to give the index also. I mean label also, sorry. Label, let's keep home for this one, and for this another list, let's keep settings. Okay, now we got this tabs, two tabs. Now let's make another tabs for also. Bottom navigation bar, copy this one, this item, bottom navigation bar item, and let's change it like our stop screen. Use it. Sorry, contact page, this one. Let's change this to contact. Okay, now save it. We have three tabs now. Now let's make this tappable. It's not changing. So below this, below over here, we have this current index. Let's set it to 1 for default. As you can see, it's changing to this one settings because this index is 0 and this one is 1. Okay, this one is 2. If we set it to 2, another this index will be selected. Okay, now let's make it dynamic. So if it's a integer format, so copy it and let's initialize it over here. Okay, let's change this to different name. Let's say select an index and give it here. Selected index, save it. As you can see, the home has been selected. Now still it's not changing. We have this function on tab property. Okay, it will give us the new value, new integer. You can change anything here to here. Let's say you can say like this also. I'm gonna put as value and let's give this selected index this new value. Okay, now copy this and change the state, current state. Okay, like this, save it, and if you tap on over here, now as you can see it's changing but it's not switching. Okay, and neither it is switching. Okay, now for that we can in the page view we have this property on page changed. Now we can give this value, we can give this selected index this value. This is the new value. Okay. Now copy this selected index again and in the set state put the selected index to value and save it, and let's try now. Okay, now let's select this tab. It's not changing because we have to give the set the this page controller over here dot jump to jump to page and give the value selected index, this one over here. Okay, it will change the page while tapping on this. Now as you can see it's working. Now you can create the new page also for this, like this, and let's say home page dot let's say settings page dot contact page dot that, and come to the home page dot that file, and let's change this to stateless widget. Okay, let's create a stateless widget and let's keep the home page. Now give the scaffold here. Let's keep the body. Okay, and let's keep the center to this body, and let's keep the child. Let's keep the text. Let's keep the text that home page. Okay, okay, save it and copy this to other pages also. Change accordingly. Now come to the root screen and let's remove this widget, this center widget, and let's import those pages. Give the comma. It's going to be list of those screens, those pages screen. Those. Also import another one, contact page. Okay, now let's reload the app. Okay, now let's try. It's working. That's fine. Okay, guys, this is how you can implement the page view and navigation bar or bottom navigation bar. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.